On International Youth Day today, Health Minister Amperin Lingdo launched the intensified IEC campaign at Usosotham Auditorium, State Central Library. The campaign, spearheaded by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society (MACS), aims to enhance awareness about HIV and STIs across all districts, focusing on the youth. Lingdo highlighted the concerning number of over 400 children and infants suffering from HIV and AIDS and stressed the need for increased testing. The event, themed "From Clicks to Progress, Youth Digital Pathways for Sustainable Development," was attended by Director of Health Services Dr. F. Vikashing, MACS Project Director Dr. De Cruz, and local students.
I'd like to request our Chief Guest for the event.
Kisama jongkari, kide kaborba, nakabenta kalaway jongkari. Nakatakadaw, kalong gabadon kampalan. Bakikon samla Joshua kisnoto, syabhang kajingpang HIV/AIDS. Kibriyo kibaim bat unir uknyang jingpang. Kidon lakahok paniim. Nakalyang jong kasorkar. Yapi kibadon kata ka challenge bapipang HIV/AIDS. Lalipidi people living with HIV/AIDS. Nakalyang kasorkar. Ngin persyangkat balak.